Hello everyone, my name is Gocin and this is my colleague Nemo. We are military mechanical engineers specialized in rocket engineering and armored vehicles. And we are also founders of Belmec Engineering, where we provide you with the best learning experience in engineering field. Welcome to our SolidWorks Complete course, where we will introduce you to the basics of this extraordinary CAD program very easily and teach you skills you need so you can use it completely on your own and also at a very high level.
During this course, we will go through about 40 lessons and exercises. We will start from bottoms up with the introduction of the user interface. Then we will learn about 2D geometry, sketches, and how to translate from 2D to 3-dimensional space, where we will create parts using various techniques that SolidWorks has at its disposal.
And after that, we will bring multiple parts together and create assemblies with many interesting correlations between them. Last but not the least, we will learn how to create technical documentation of our models, something that every engineer must include in his or her skill set.
You will also be introduced to solid toolboxes that are there to allow you to use standardized parts in the design of your projects, saving you dozens of hours of hard work. This course can be of great use to anyone who is just starting in 3D modeling, as such as to those of you with some prior knowledge in this area.
The blueprint of this course is designed to go through each of the lessons together, using the principle of learn by doing, which so far has proven to be an undisputed way of adopting knowledge in this and in programs similar to SolidWorks.
Also, if you encounter difficulties or any problem during your work, we are at your disposal and you can contact us by email at any time, and we will do our best to respond to you as soon as possible.
Now, I think it's time to go to work. Enroll and see for yourself how even the toughest of challenges can be overcome with having the systematic approach and discipline in work. Good luck!